After being an MIA, here I am sharing with you my life lately. Hi friends! I know na this video is gonna be so chaotic kapag hindi ako nag-narrate dito. So, I have decided na magna-narrate na lang din ako so I can share more of my experiences. In this video, I will share to you what happened to me in the past months when I didn't posted any of life vlogs. So, get your snacks because we will have a short chit-chat. First up is the Heroes Hotel. As you know guys, isa rin po akong food and travel vlogger. So, there are times na nagta-travel talaga ako for work. And one of the hotels na pinuntahan namin is yung Heroes Hotel. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko tong hotel na to because it looks like a museum and a hotel at the same time. Kasi yung laman nitong hotel na to, nasa baba pa lang or nasa lobby pa lang, meron na siyang mga statues, mga trivias, and posts about your favorite heroes, and yung mga tungkol sa sports. Grabe, every floor may makikita kayong trivia about sports. So, meron doon about kay Manny Pacquiao, kay Carlos Yulo, Heidelin Diaz, and sobrang dami pa na pwede nyong makita. So, hindi talaga kasya yung isang buong araw. Tapos, ang dami rin nila activities na pwede nyong gawin. Tapos, sobrang ganda at sobrang ganda ng view doon sa kanilang restaurant. And also, I really love every Pinoy-themed restaurant or hotel or anything. So, talagang nag-enjoy ako kasi pinopromote nila is Filipino culture. Second, friends, as you may know, sa mga naka-follow dyan sa Facebook account ng Casey Goes To at sa personal account ko, alam ko na nakita nyo rin na na-interview na po tayo sa TV and we had our first TV guesting. Sobrang sayang experience and who would have thought na ang tagal-tagal ko nang pinapangarap na mangyari sa akin to. And then, hindi ko naman siya in-expect na this year siya mangyayari. So, thank you friends for trusting me at nakakarating na po tayo dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala, kasama ko kayo lagi sa journey ko. And I know naman na walang mangyayaring ganito kung hindi dahil din sa inyo. So, maraming salamat and I will do my best na ma-extend sa inyo itong ating achievement. So, yeah!
Or may mga nagko-comment pa sa'yo na, ay, buti pa si Casey, pa-travel-travel na lang?
Hindi po kasi alam or parang nami-misunderstood nga po ng mga nakakakita po ng mga posts namin na akala nila kapag nagta-travel ka or pag travel vlogger or travel blogger ka, parang buong trip mo masaya. Pero hindi po kasi most of the time, since kailangan po naming mag-work, yung mga sceneries, mga attractions, activities, kadalasan hindi po namin siya na-enjoy fully. And of course, it's August. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi ko may share sa inyo yung birthday celebration ko dahil 3 birthday celebration po ang nangyari sa akin. First is from Vlogapalooza, second is my family, and my third one is with my friends. So, friends ko sila nung high school. Sobrang saya kasi I didn't expect na makakapag-celebrate ako with Vlogapalooza. So, nagbigay sila ng celebration for August babies. It's really a nice occasion, experience, and I'm so happy na nakakilala ako ng ibang August babies na mga influencers at content creators din. So, thank you so much Vlogapalooza. Second one is my family. We only had a simple celebration. Kumain lang kami sa labas. And actually, wala talaga sa plano ko na mag-celebrate because I have a big gift for myself na talagang sobrang laking gastos niya. So, wala talaga akong plano. Pero, hindi naman pumapayag si Mommy at yung mga kapatid ko na wala akong celebration. So, tinreat din ako ni Mommy tsaka ni Ate. I'm so happy and thankful for my family kasi, alam niyo yun, hindi talaga sila pumapayag na hindi ko maranasan mag-birthday celebration for my 23rd birthday. Last one is with my friends. They are my friends since I was in high school. We had our celebration sa refinery sa Makati. And nag-wine-wine lang kami, ganyan. So, me and my friends, mga August babies din sila. So, magkaka-birthday kami. And first time namin mag-celebrate na magkakasama. So, it was really fun and a nice experience. Is not so much like, hindi ang grande yung celebration ko, pero yun kasi yung promise ko sa sarili ko na kapag nag-23 ako before, mag-celebrate ako ng ang grande. Hindi siya nangyari because a big thing just happened into my life and yeah, it's this. We moved out again. Into a new city where I didn't ever imagine in my life na titira ako dito. I will share with you more on my next vlogs, kaya comment lang kayo ng questions nyo. Pero I'm happy and blessed that my family is so supportive in my decision. Wala na rin akong time na makapag-video, so I am so glad that my mom really loves taking pictures and videos. So thank you, Mom, for taking the videos and pictures for me. So yung mga nakikita nyo pong ibang clips, galing po yan kay Mommy. Tapos, tinulungan ako ng kapatid ko, ni Mommy, at ni Martin, of course, in my moving into this new condo. I am really excited to share you guys what happened, bakit ako lumipat. So, I really wanna know what are your thoughts or questions. So, let me know in the comments. At sa mga susunod na videos, alam niyo na kung ano yung mga aabangan nyo. And that sums up kung ano yung mga nangyari sa akin for the past months. And kung napapansin nyo, medyo consistent na ulit tayo sa pag-vlog. So, I will do my best, friends, na makabalik dito sa YouTube. Thank you guys for watching and abangan niyo pa yung mga susunod kong videos. If ever na may questions kayo, request, let me know in the comments. Maraming salamat. See you on my next video and spread your wings as wide as you can. Bye!